Based on one's dreams and desires, people basically fall into two slots: making ways and means to achieve what one aspires. Two, they are not steadfast in their aspirations. One fine morning, all the students were heading towards the ground. Participants were preparing for the events, but for me, I wasn't feeling well. Of course, having fever, it's impossible to run 200 meters event. My friends were advising me not to participate. To be frank, I love sports and love running for my Red House, St. Catharines. I had a passion for it. Before the event started, I was taking rest. As time was nearing, I was determined to participate because I thought true sportsmanship is not in the winning but the participation. The race began. First half somehow I managed, but the second half I was feeling spiritless. At that moment I screamed so badly and gave myself a push. Gave all my strength to finish. Legs were so frail, on the finish line I fell down. People came, lifted me up, made me lie down, gave a lot of glucose. My hands and legs were shivering a lot. For some time I was so dazed. After settling down, my friends were so happy that I had secured the second place in the race. That moment was so happy because that passion. People reading this might feel, am I PT Usha running for the country? No. Anything that is small or big, no matter what you do, it has to be done with love and passion. The other type are people who remain satisfied with what they get and not what they aspire for. Never blame your situation because it's just that we don't persevere to reach the goal. Most of us give up too soon, including myself. I had few ways to improve my skills and move forward, but due to varied reasons I had to give up on them. Not a day I regret for giving up on what I loved the most. I could have done 2 degrees, started on YouTube, been a counselor. Still deep down, there's a void feeling in my heart, hopefully, to be filled in some distant future, at least, which is my passion for sports. Most of you watching this may be sailing in the same boat with me. You would have given up on your passion for varied reasons. We may be applauding other people's achievements, not realizing our own resources which need a drive from within. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. All you have is this one life. How do you want to spend it? Apologizing, regretting, questioning, or hating yourself? Be brave, believe in yourself, do what feels good, take risks, make yourself proud, because winners never quit and quitters never win. Follow your passion, be prepared to work hard, and make sacrifices, but do not compromise on your passion, and above all, do not let anyone limit your dreams. Tomorrow is too late. Yesterday is over. Now is the exact and the right moment, so start. Better late than never.